because he has loved them. Who gives Jesus' disciples another advocate to be with them and help them forever? Jesus.
Sorry, good try. No bonus. Who gives his disciples his peace? Jesus.
It's the only thing.
Question number 3 is the reference question. Question number 3. Question. Finish this verse and give the reference. The thief. Subin.
The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I have come that they may have life and have it to the full. John chapter 10, verse 10.
Good job. Question 4 is an according to question. Question number 4. Question. According to John chapter 11, verse 21, who said to Jesus, Vikram?
Who said to Jesus, Sir, if you had been here, my brother would not have died. Martha.
Yes. Good job. Question 5 is the situation question. Question number 5. Question. Situation question. Who said it, to whom, and how? Lazarus is dead. David, finish please.
Lazarus is dead. Lazarus is dead, and we're going to wake him up. Jesus said to his disciples plainly. Lazarus is dead. He was fallen asleep, but now he is dead, and we're going to go and heal him. So that it was better that.
Sorry, David. Miora for the bonus. Situation question. Who said it, to whom, and how? Lazarus is dead, and for your sake I am glad I was not there, so that you may believe. But let us go to him.
Jesus said it to his disciples. And he told them plainly.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, David. Question 6 is a general question. Question number 6. Question. Why are Jesus' decisions... Vikram, finish please.
Why are Jesus' decisions true? Because he's not alone. He stands with the Father who sent him.
Yes. Good job. Question 7 is a general question. Question number 7. Question. Who does not know his master's...
Does not know his master's business as servant?
Yes. Good job. Question 8 is an according to question. Question number 8. Question. According to John chapter 2, verse 19, Vikram?
According to John chapter 2, verse 19, what will Jesus raise? In 3 days. He will raise his temple in 3 days.
Yes. Good job. Question number 9 is a quote question. Question number 9. Question. Quote John chapter 13 verses...
This is 24 and 25.
Sorry. No bonus. It was verses 34 and 35. A new command I give you, etc. Good try. Question 10 is an according to question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Question. According to John chapter 5, verse 15, what did the man do? Paul?
He went back and told the Jewish leaders that it was Jesus who had killed him.
Yes. Good job.
Thank you.
Question 11 is a general question. Question number 11. Question. For what food should you not... Paul, finish please.
For what food should you not for what food should you not work for or seek for food that spoils?
Yes. Good job. Question 12 is a general question. Question number 12. Question. Who answered, you are demon... David, finish please.
You are demon possessed and raving mad. Some of the Jews in the crowd. Some of the people in the crowd. Who answered, you are demon possessed. We were never slaves. We were never slaves.
Sorry. May I rough for the bonus? Who answered, you are demon possessed? Who is trying to kill you?
Some of the crowd.
Yes. Sorry, I tried. Raving mad was when they were talking about Jesus. Question 13 is an according to question. Question number 13. Question. According to John chapter 2, verse 23, Paul, finish please.
What did many people see who saw this? Who was performing many signs at the festival? What was Jesus doing? Who believed in his name? Many people saw the signs Jesus was performing at the festival and believed in his name. Many more people believed in his name. Many more people saw Jesus performing signs at the festival.
Yes, good job. Question 14 is a general question. Question number 14. Question. Who picked up his mat and walked? Subin?
The invalid.
Yes. Question 15 is a general question. Question number 15. Question. Who questioned John? Why then do you baptize? Paul, finish please.
Is the question complete?
No, it is not.
Who questioned John? Why then do you baptize? If you are neither the Messiah, nor Elijah, nor a prophet. The people who the Jewish leaders sent. People who the Jewish leaders sent to question John about his testimony.
Sorry. Abigail for the bonus. Who questioned John? Why then do you baptize if you are not the Messiah, nor Elijah, nor the prophet?
The priests and Levites.
Sorry. It's the Pharisees who had been sent. Good try, both of you. Question 16 is the context question. Question number 16. Question. Complete in essence the following. Gather the pieces. All finish, please.
Gather the pieces that are left over. Let nothing be left behind.
Yes. Good job.
Thank you.
Question 17 is a general question. Question number 17. Question. What had Jesus himself pointed? David, finish, please.
Jesus himself pointed out that a person can't be a prophet in his own country. Someone can't be received as a prophet in his own country.
Sorry. Try David. Mayora for the bonus. What had Jesus himself pointed out?
That a prophet has no honor in his hometown and country.
Yeah. Sorry, David.
Can I call a timeout?
Yes. Timeout. Yosemite.